This 2024 Holiday Rambler Armada 40M is a Class A RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Holiday Rambler is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features a Baytown, Riviera, Waterford interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2024 Holiday Rambler Armada 40M is built on a Freightliner XCM chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.